management software to K-12 schools across the country. And we focus primarily on school districts. That's our niche there. And it's a benefit to who we're selling to, because with some of these other competitors, when you're going after other industries like, higher ed or healthcare, they're building components within the system that don't actually match what schools are looking for. So that's one of the primary benefits of really focusing on K-12. Really, the key component about MasterLibrary is that we're going to make your staff members' lives easier. It's not their only job to manage work orders or manage facility usage. They have other tasks that they need to get back to. So one of the primary benefits is, saving those staff members time. And on top of that, at the end of the day, the importance of the systems that you want to be able to run data and reports and make an educated decision on, where your cost should go next. It's been a long process to get where we're at today, but, we don't do these jobs, tasks that the employees at the schools are actually doing. So listening to our customers, taking their feedback and improving the program really helped us get to where we're at today.
Facility management and the people behind its operation are often the unsung heroes of schools. MasterLibrary understands just how much goes into maintaining the buildings that keep our students, staff, and faculty not just safe, but happy too. Our suite of software tools leverages the latest technology to make your job easier. Improve communication, save money, and get back valuable time by partnering with MasterLibrary. Schools are made up of people, hundreds of people. Having everyone on the same page can be nearly impossible. That's why at the core of our products, we built in effortless communication systems. From combining all your facility event calendars into one central location with ML schedules, to automatic notifications from a project start to finish with ML work orders, you can count on our systems to keep everyone in the loop. Not only are our tools some of the most affordable on the market, but they also have a direct link to reducing expenses. Our software keeps track of your facility assets, reminds you about scheduled maintenance, and provides detailed, customizable, and visual reporting for better decision-making. Send invoices and accept online payments when booking spaces in ML schedules to recoup costs quicker. Better tools means reduced labor costs by eliminating manual processes you've been holding on to and replacing them with state-of-the-art software-powered systems. Reclaim your time. Lean on MasterLibrary products to do some of the heavy lifting for you. Don't waste hours looking through dusty file cabinets for old manuals or warranty information. Store everything you need in the cloud for quick and secure reference. Let the software send auto-generated reminders and notifications instead of picking up the phone or drafting an email. You can even manage your facilities on the go with the ability to work from mobile devices. MasterLibrary cares deeply about solutions that create a better experience for you and ultimately the students in your school. All of our products are designed out of listening to the frequent challenges that make your job more difficult. We heard you. Start running a next-gen facility with solutions from MasterLibrary.